Okay, I've got a 2002 Honda Odyssey here that cranks intermittently and is in need of a starter. So this video is designed to show you how to replace the starter in this vehicle. Before we get started, I want to let you know I'm a pastor and a Christian. A lot more important things in life than starters and vans. So as soon as you get a chance, cruise over to my other videos, especially that one on how to become a Christian. And with that said, let's get started. Okay, I've got the parking brake set, the back wheels chalked, the front of the vehicle raised, and on jack stands. The first thing we want to do is to physically disconnect the battery and remove it from the vehicle. Okay, the next thing you're going to want to do is to remove these clips, 3 of them, from their corresponding mounts on this base. Using a flathead screwdriver from underneath, you can simply pry up on the tab and they slide out here and here. Next, we have to remove the base itself. It's held in by a number of bolts. And let's see if I can capture one down here. There you can see 2 of them on that L bracket. There's another on this side. Can't quite get there. There's another on the back underneath the clips. You can just see it there. And then finally, I believe there's one from the underside. That's why we raised the vehicle. I'll give you a shot of that in just a second, and we'll remove this plate. Also need to remove this control module right here. It's held on by one simple bolt from the side to the same tray. Very easy to uninstall. I'm underneath the vehicle, and I have to remove the plastic shroud here in order to get access to that final bolt from underneath. I'm just going to remove these clips here, and then one over on the back here, and that should pull straight down. The starter is right here. We're going to unbolt the electrical connectors on the solenoid side right here. And then once we get those disconnected, there's a boot you pull back, and then just a bolt you loosen. I think there's 2. There's also a fast-on clip you just pull out. So electrical connectors off, and then we'll physically unbolt the starter from the motor. You can see one of the bolts right up in there. You can see it. I can't point to it very well, but there it is. There's another on the other side, and then the starter pulls directly out of the engine compartment. There is on the back of the starter a small clip there that holds a wire harness that has to be removed as well. Everything back together here. Here's the old starter. There are the mounting brackets, electrical connections, and there's the bolt that we had to take out in order to get the little wire harness bracket. So assembly is identical to disassembly, and so let's just give this a shot and see if it's up and running again before we take it off the jack stands. Okay, so we're back up and running. Hey, remember, I'm a pastor and a Christian. A lot more important things in life than just vans and starters. Get a chance, cruise over to those other videos, take a peek at how to become a Christian. Thanks for listening, and God bless.